The field mouse, a tiny yet remarkable creature, is one of the most common inhabitants of rural and suburban areas. With its soft brown fur and keen senses, the field mouse is perfectly adapted to its surroundings, effortlessly navigating through tall grasses and hedgerows. Known for its agility and resourcefulness, this small rodent plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and serve as prey for various predators. Despite its modest size, the field mouse embodies the resilience and adaptability of wildlife, making it a fascinating subject of study and observation. Welcome to our special episode for today. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more interesting topics. The field mouse. The field mouse is a type of rodent that usually lives in rural environments or open fields. This type is distinguished from the house mouse in its lifestyle and living environment, as it prefers to live in agricultural lands, forests, and open grassy areas. The field mouse is one of the common rodents in Europe and Asia, and is characterized by its great ability to adapt to its natural environments. The body length of the field mouse usually ranges from 8 to 12 centimeters, from head to tail, in addition to the length of the tail, which can be from 6 to 10 centimeters. The weight of the field mouse usually ranges from 15 to 30 grams. The fur of the field mouse is brown or light gray on the back, while it is white or light gray under the belly. The fur is soft and suitable for protecting the mouse from cold weather and bumps. The field mouse has relatively large ears compared to its body size, which enhances its ability to hear and detect predators or any other threats. The eyes of the field mouse are large and dark, helping it navigate effectively in the dark. It has a long tail covered with thin hair, which the mouse uses to maintain balance when running. The field mouse prefers to live in open areas such as fields, farmland, bushes, and forests. It can also be found near urban areas if they provide it with suitable food and shelter. The field mouse is found in many parts of Europe and Asia, including parts of North Africa. It can be found in wetlands and grassy areas that contain many plants that it can feed on. The field mouse is a herbivorous rodent, i.e., it feeds on plants. It feeds on a variety of grains, seeds, fruits, and roots. It also feeds on some small insects and invertebrates if they are available. The field mouse searches for food at night, a nocturnal animal, and is active during the dark hours. It uses its nose and strong senses to search for food and search for hidden places away from predators. The field mouse tends to store food in safe places, such as burrows or under the soil, to use it during times when food is not available. The field mouse is one of the animals that do not like to live in large groups. It can be found in small groups or alone. Each mouse keeps its own area, which it protects from other animals. The field mouse is characterized by its quick movement and alertness, which helps it escape from predators. It can run at high speeds and may climb trees or hide in grasses or burrows to protect itself. The field mouse builds its nests in protected places such as holes in the soil or under dense grasses. It uses dry grasses and tree leaves to build the nest. The field mouse usually reproduces during the spring and summer season when food resources are abundant. The female may mate with the male repeatedly during the season. The female usually gives birth to 3 to 7 young at a time and may give birth more than once a year. It can give birth up to 4 times a year in suitable conditions. The gestation period for the field mouse ranges from 19 to 21 days, which is a relatively short period compared to other animals. The female takes great care of her young after birth and breastfeeds them until they are able to eat solid food. The field mouse is prey to many predators such as owls, foxes, cats, hawks, snakes, and dogs. Due to its small size and rapid movement, the mouse must always be wary of these animals. The field mouse can compete with other rodent species such as house mice and rats for food resources and shelter. The field mouse faces threats from human activities such as environmental destruction, pollution, and alien species that may attack its natural habitat. The field mouse is an important part of the food chain, as it provides food for many predators such as birds of prey and other carnivores. Like many other rodents, the field mouse helps move seeds from one place to another, which helps spread plants and increase plant diversity in its environment. By serving as food for predators and distributing seeds, The field mouse plays an important role in maintaining the ecological balance in the ecosystem in which it lives. The field mouse is an important agricultural pest, as it can cause damage to agricultural crops by feeding on grains and fruits. Therefore, it may be considered a problem for farmers. The field mouse is sometimes used in scientific research to study the behavior of rodents and their interactions with their environment. The field mouse is an animal with a high ability to adapt to different environments. It can quickly adapt to changing weather conditions as well as to the availability of food resources in its environment. The mice have a geographical memory that helps them return to their place or find food easily. The field mouse is a type of small rodent that has a great ability to adapt to its natural environment. It lives in fields and rural areas and is characterized by its high ability to adapt to environmental changes and food storage. Although it may sometimes be considered a pest due to the destruction of agricultural crops, it plays an important role in the ecosystem by being a food source for predators and transferring seeds between plants. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics. See you.